A vision of future learning. By the year 2020, new learning establishments will develop as society adapts to revolutionary advancements in technology. Innovative teaching methods will take advantage of tomorrow's up-and-coming learning tools. The ability to predict lifetime learning patterns well before adolescence will promote optimization of educational programs. Learning and life will be dramatically changed by the digital world. One such advancement, known as gesture-based computing, involves movement through three-dimensional visualizations. In 4 to 5 years, the implementation of this technology will be ideal in training situations where actual manipulation, such as practicing surgical techniques or handling hazardous materials, would not be recommended. It has huge potential in education, as simulated environments provide effective hands-on training even before students touch the real thing. Additionally, virtual models will offer authentic learning about living organisms without ever examining them in real life. Training will become progressively important as evaluations of expertise rely increasingly on performance levels rather than scores on pencil and paper tests. Future education will focus on skill development through team collaboration, precision in hands-on production, and effective community business relations. These relationships will develop through information and communications technology, or ICT, where access to resources and people will become vital. ICT will create innovative ways in which individuals and groups interact with each other and relevant information networks. Meeting face-to-face will not always be necessary, as the possibility to connect with people worldwide using social networking and virtual meeting places will become commonplace. Students will learn more effectively as knowledge acquired in natural environments can be applied in collaborative atmospheres, enhancing communication and teamwork capabilities. Learning will be student-centered and performance-based, concentrating on experiences related to personal interests. An understanding of cultural and individual differences will also promote cooperation and networking, a necessity in communicating with people from different backgrounds through ICT. Groundbreaking assessment technology will encourage the recognition of diverse learning techniques for each learner in an attempt to create customized programs. Immersive games and simulations will allow students the opportunity to learn through action and eventually be evaluated using the same technology. Furthermore, individual needs and learning styles will be the focus of future delivery methods. Classroom spaces will look dramatically different as teaching becomes decentralized, with instructors facilitating and guiding students as they participate increasingly in their own learning. Tracking student-specific learning tendencies, preferences, and achievement levels will provide visualizations of possible educational paths and career choices. Learning will become even more student-centered as obtaining learner data such as learning styles and preferences will become more easily accomplished with the aid of technology. Mobile technology such as smartphones will become indispensable learning tools. Such devices with internet access and computing potential will likely replace the personal computer in future classrooms. The 2010 European Commission reported that 78% of its study participants indicated schools will organize lessons based on personalized programs attending to individual needs and interests by 2025. The choice of simultaneously enrolling in a number of different educational institutions to combine preferred study areas while joining local and online virtual communities will effectively promote student learning responsibility. Technologies such as multi-user virtual environments, or MOVE, and virtual reality games will meet learner needs in new and constructive ways. MOVE will have students use avatars in virtual reality games where they experience new situations using their fantasy character. They will also be able to use mobile wireless devices to move through the real world, carrying the virtual world with them, providing information on building architecture or museum exhibits, for example. Furthermore, the UDraw game tablet will become indispensable in art education, as it combines a game-based environment with movement in gesture-based programs to produce illustrations. Learning will be more active and connected to real life. Even at the post-secondary level, programs will offer a hybrid curriculum, courses plus life learning, and possibly customized degree programs. Work performance and proficiency will become progressively more significant in comparison to today's educational certificates. The rigidity of traditional delivery methods will transition into a flexible web-based approach, accommodating different learning styles, balancing performance and achievement for all learners. The promotion of skill development and work competencies will be enormously impacted by mobile technologies. Therefore, innovation with the latest advancements will be essential. Evolving student needs will create a shift toward anywhere, anytime learning, taking advantage of new technologies resulting in authentic, relevant, customized experiences. Mobile devices will revolutionize future education where learning becomes possible from any device, no matter where you are on the globe. Almost two-thirds of the Economist Intelligence Unit survey respondents indicated that technological growth will have a major impact on future teaching methodologies. Very young, primary-age students will be immersed in computer-based environments on a regular basis. Traditional textbooks will soon be replaced in the classroom by iPads loaded with applications capable of accessing infinite information resources, predicting increased reading engagement. Texts will exist exclusively in virtual form, where they can be updated and refined in real time. In 2025, proficiency well above tourist level in many languages will also become the most important and valuable personal competence in any field. Language courses will become mobile as practice lessons on physical discs will soon be replaced with iPod and Audible Air technology. Mobile social networking applications will also become critical components in accessing authentic interactive media that targets specific learning areas. Online blended and mobile learning options will attract increasing numbers, creating personal learning systems that supplement or replace those provided by the traditional K-12 public education system. The Canadian Council on Learning claimed that Canada's future success will rely heavily on the power of its educational system to encourage lifelong learning for all ages. Teaching and learning will be fundamentally transformed by the growing infiltration of technology and its expanding educational potential.